pop-up tents, also called instant tents, have improved a lot in recent years. They became lighter, more compact, sturdier, and fully waterproof, at least some of them. If you want to take your family out camping, but don't want to spend half a day setting up your shelter, why not go for a large pop-up tent? Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best pop-up tents available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out the video description. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Nightcat Waterproof Camping Tent. An ideal budget pop-up tent for camping in the park, beach, mountain, and any other outdoor place. Hydraulic pressure mechanism makes it set up and take down automatically, totally getting you away from heavy labor to set up a traditional manual tent. Even a child can do it quickly. The rainproof fabric and waterproof tape on every seam to make sure the inside is totally dry under any rain situation, even in the storm. Pegs and guy lines make it stable in the hard wind. The rain fly can be separated as a pavilion or shelter for other use such as picnic, fishing, or beaching. It can be separated from the inner tent easily. Number 4. Zomake Pop-Up Tent. Camping with your family and friends has never been easy. Zomake makes it easier to be an all-rounder family or hiking tent. Even on a windy day, all you need to do is open the panels and remove the top flap and take a mid-beach nap as the breeze flows through. The easy assembling where you just unzip it from the carrying case, unlatch the strap, and it pops up on its own makes it ideal for quick fuss-free situations. Number 3. Moonlenc Instant Pop-Up Tent. If you're looking for a budget easy pop-up tent that's perfect for all seasons to just go outside, Moonlenc makes it really easy to do all of that in just 1 minute. Simply lift the top of the tent, pop the top mechanism down, and then click the bottom joints into place. This easily fits 4 people with plenty of room to store things, like a cooler with drinks and snacks, laptop, a couple of lanterns, and still have room for 2 adults and a couple of kids. There's no need to worry about water seepage during rainy days due to its professionally tested high-quality waterproof fabric. Number 2. Coleman Pop-Up Camping Tent. The instant pop-up tent by Coleman makes any trip to the great outdoors feel like home. The tent is spacious and sleeps up to 4 people. The pre-assembled poles make for easy setup, and the tent can be packed up and transported with minimal hassle and fuss thanks to the flat pack-up feature. This is ideal for any camper who wants to avoid excessive assembly time and instead explore and enjoy themselves. The water-resistant polyester fly and inner aim to reduce water leakage. Number 1. Core 9-Person Instant Cabin Tent. This amazingly roomy instant cabin tent by Core can sleep 9 adults in sleeping bags, not counting additional gear. It can also sleep fewer campers with lots of luggage, or if you're camping with a toddler, this tent works great as well. You can enjoy views of the sky through oversized mesh ceiling panels. With extra wide, thick tape that is heat sealed to the rainfly fabric, wind and rain don't stand a chance. Its advanced vents draw cool air in from adjustable air intake vents on the ground and allow hot air to escape through a large mesh ceiling. A detachable room divider is provided to add privacy when needed, or it can be removed for an open living area. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.